Welcome to the torque simulation. In this activity, you'll take bricks and place them at different locations on the teeter-totter. The teeter-totter consists of a board supported in the middle by a fulcrum and on either end by pillars. Select and drag one brick to a place on the balance board and a different number of bricks to the opposite side of the board. Selecting the Remove Supports option on the bottom of the screen removes the pillars supporting both ends of the board. Select the Supports option to again place the pillars below the boards. Select the Ruler option under the Positions menu to measure the location of the bricks on the board. Select the Forces from Objects option under the Show menu to show the force due to each object. Selecting the orange Reset button on the bottom right side of the screen returns the screen to its original state.